my dad make pasta
Hello.
and spaghetti.
So, you gotta have a pot of water. You gotta have fire. You gotta put them together.
There it is. It's boiling.
And then you gotta have pasta.
Well, it's actually called spaghetti. Spaghetti. If it's backwards for you, it's fine.
Okay. Hi, it's me again. Mr. America. Check out the water.
There's water and it's boiling. Look, it's like little frog eggs. It's really bubbly.
Did you say frog eggs?
It looks like frog eggs.
How about salmon eggs?
Oh yeah, it really looks like salmon eggs.
Okay,
Yes.
well, so let's take a look at it again. Let's see, are there bubbles rising?
There's some bubbles rising out of the pan.
And what do they say about a watched pot never boils?
And some of it's rising out of the side. See, look.
Yep, that's called boil-o-matic. Alright, look, it's getting a little more exciting.
Yeah.
And when it's rolling, they call it a rolling boil.
Okay, so the water looks a little bit more clear.
Yeah, now that's a rolling boil.
And it's not really
That's
rising
a rolling
up
boil.
to the
How much do you want to
side.
take?
I think, how about, let's
How much?
take 16.
16? Which one? How much?
16. So we can take one.
How about that much?
Okay, that's good. So you take it and put it all in the pot. First, we have to count how much spaghetti. Oh my! Hey! There's spaghetti on the floor. Spaghetti on the floor. Ah! Looks like here.
Hi. Chef Mia. Don't touch the fire though. Just only the little things. Put them into the water.
So
Down.
now we're pushing all of it down so all of it can get into the spaghetti. All of it, all of it, all of it. So then you can probably watch us eat it.
Oh, that's a delicious looking pot, I think. Oh, wow. Let's make sure all the pasta's in the water. How are you going to do it, Mia?
Well, I think we have to push it from the top, the bottom of the spatula, put it all the way in there.
Okay.
So like this. Slide down on half of the pot. Down.
Oh, yeah, that's a good one. Mia,
Going down.
how you do it?
Well,
I think you did it. Oh, you got one more.
I think there's more on this side too.
Okay.
Put
Well,
this all the way down.
Hey, Mia,
What?
should we take a commercial break?
Maybe.
Mia,
Hmm?
what commercial is it?
What commercial?
Yeah, well, we have to pay for the video.
How about?
So who's going to pay for the video?
How about Scarlet?
All right, Scarlett is the benefactor of Mia's.
Doing a taste test.
Okay. So,
Yes, Tom. Tom in the pasta.
okay, so one,
One. That goes in there.
and then one is in,
The other bowl. So.
well, let's do it even. Even Steven, okay.
So now.
So then,
Gotta know.
you gotta put,
Can we still use the butter? Yeah. So now, just rub all of this butter onto the pasta to make it soapy. Ding. So there we go. And rub it in. Mix it. Mash it. Mash it. Mash it. Should we mash it or should we cook it again?
no, you should stir it. But maybe pour the cheese in now while it's hot. Pour it in.
So pour some cheese. All of it?
Yeah, why not?
Okay, so now we're pouring all the cheese on with hands because we have to spread it all around. We just want to spread it like right in the middle because then it won't work. And it won't. You can probably do it like this. It will be easier without getting cheesy hands. So there. So we're going to stir this one first. Stir all of that butter in. So we're going to so we're stirring all the butter. It looks like it's all gone. I don't know, but maybe. So we're all stirring. Make sure we're mashing that really good to make it flat and smooth so it won't even, So there you go. Stir all of this in. We're supposed to be cooking it though. But instead we can stir it. We have to let the cheese melt. So we're gonna stir it all up. Mash. Okay, so it's all up there. So now we're gonna be stirring the butter, but first we need to mash it a little bit, right?
Yeah, get it in there real good.
Real good. Going to. Still need to taste test it. And now we are going to stir and mix it up. Stir and mix it up. Stir. It's crunching it up. You should need to crunch it up first. Kind of wiggly and jumbly. This spatula, so we need to be careful. So I think that's it. Let me see if we have it. Oh, there's butter. So we have this super cool cheesy stuff. And look, if you look up closely, it's stuck together.
Okay.
So yeah, it's gonna be like one noodle. I'm just gonna take a bite. Twirl that up. Let's go twirl that yummy goodness around in the spot. Oops. Go twirl that around. Okay, I think that we're done. Now.
Okay. What do you think?
It's good.
Okay, let's test the other one.
Test the other one. Oh, twirl time. Twirl. Let's some fell. Good. Good. They're both actually good.
Make it a twirly. Ooh, that's good. Yeah? Mia, who is the winner?
I can't tell. Can't tell.
They're both the same?
They taste the same.
No, one has butter and the other one has cheese.
Well, they're still pasta and they still taste the same.
That's high five.
Boom.
Boom. That's a wrap.
Bye guys. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. Bye.
Beep.